Hi, my name is Eve and I'm the student team leader as part of the employment team at NCLS.
Hi, I'm Ben. I was a caseworker in the UEA Justice Project.
Hi, I'm Eleanor and I volunteer for the UEA Business Clinic.
Hi, I'm Zach. I'm part of the client team here at Business Clinic.
My name's Grace and I work as a student volunteer in the NCLS immigration team.
I'm Ben. I'm the legal services team lead.
Our clinic days are always on a Friday, so I come in around 9 a.m. and say hello to everyone in the team, make sure all our documents are printed and signed. And then I welcome the client in when they arrive, offer them tea and coffee, sit in on their meeting and write my attendance notes. Normally I have around 2 or 3 clients a day, and then I'll just stay a bit afterwards and make sure the attendance notes are perfect before I send them off. And that's about it.
Normally I volunteer on a Wednesday at the moment. I get to the office, so I work in the office in the city. I get to the office about 9:15. I stay for a full day. You're only expected to do 4 hours, but I do the full day. We sort emails, check emails is normally the first thing. Then we sort the post. And we call clients, get them booked in for their appointments. And if there are any notes from other appointments, we'll kind of deal with the notes, upload them. We also get to sit in with solicitors when they're giving me advice. We get to sit in, make some notes, or just observe if we want.
So a typical day for me is we'd usually come in, we get any updates from the retired judge who's running the project, and she'd tell us what had happened in the last week. We then usually get involved in reading through our case files and sharing any ideas we've had over the week between meetings.
So I go in once a week, 9 till 2. Typical things I do is respond to emails, welcome clients into the clinic and help them fill out forms. I phone clients to get them booked in with solicitors, and throughout this I can use translators for communication with the clients.
So fitting in my volunteering around my uni lifestyle is super easy. The expectation for NCLS is about half a day a week. So as I said, I usually come in on a Tuesday morning, get on with the tasks that I need to do in person, such as booking people in and sorting the post. And then over the rest of the week, all I really need to do is just keep an eye on my emails for any pressing matters.
So Thursdays during the middle of the day was our main clinic day for 2 hours. That's when we'd get us all update on what happened and where to go for next. Then the rest of my week, I'm quite into sports, so I'd usually do Tuesdays and Fridays. I do taekwondo at the time, and then I'd usually have my lectures spread in between that.
A typical week for me is Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday. I have MMA training. I do that here at UEA in the congregation hall, which I'm very passionate about. I'm also a business management student where I go to my lectures every single week and my seminars, which I thoroughly enjoy. And I'm also a co-founder and the COO of a startup here at UEA, which is funded by the Enterprise Department and Santander. Finding the balance between all of those it can be quite difficult just because they're all very time consuming and also you get tired after a while. But the business clinic is something which I just fell in love with purely because of it wasn't as hands-on as the other 3 things I was doing. I can come into sessions, stay here for the whole day and complete work in between clients coming in.
I find balancing volunteering and studying easy. I'm in my 3rd year of my law degree now and still managing to keep up with my work, keep up with the law clinic, see my friends, and I'm also part of cheerleading. So I managed to balance it all very fine.
Part of going into the NCLS office is being able to speak to everyone, whether that be colleagues, whether that be clients. It's just a fantastic way to meet new people and to really kind of get a grasp of the kind of clients that you could be dealing with a future legal role.
My favourite part is get to work with different clients and they come in and we get to see all the different cases because we kind of work with lots of the teams and just kind of seeing the stuff that I'm learning kind of in action is pretty good.
What I like about the business clinic is that there's just an array of students from law students to business students, and having different people with different perspectives and having people with different learning patterns is just interesting to me. because I wouldn't have otherwise got it if I was just a business student. Through this clinic, I've also met multiple people through Mentor and Burkitt's who I feel like could potentially get me to places where I would like to be in the future. And through this clinic, I've been able to get in contact with these people, have one-to-one meetings with them, even if it's for 5 minutes. I feel like that 5 minutes I wouldn't have got it without the business clinic. And just coming in here and listening to what clients have to say about the help they need and the advice they need, I feel like it's just beneficial for my learning as well in the future, just hearing about these problems where if I hear the problem again in the future, I know what to do when it comes to a situation like that.